I have found a way how complete beginners can make money online just by copying and pasting text, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make around $80 per hour just by doing it without any previous skills or experience using completely free tools. And also this method is going to be working so well you can make money without even getting any sales at all. Now this method of creating articles and monetizing them many different ways isn't exactly something groundbreaking, but I was able to find the best way how to monetize it using this website that not many people know, so even complete beginners will be able to see their first results as soon as in the first day of doing this method. So just make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end so you will not miss out any important steps, and then also go ahead and take action on this method, because if you're just going to watch this video it's not going to be making you any money at all. That's why I want you to take action on this method right after you finish watching this video. Alright guys, so the first step what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Google Docs. Type it in there and you want to go to this first site that says docs.google.com, and pretty much this is like the most accessible free text editor that I've been using myself for many different projects. And obviously if you do have a better recommendation for a text editing software, you may just very well and go ahead and use that, but I'm going to show you how to do this in a way so even complete beginners can follow through very easily and make some money with this. So once you're going to open up your Google Docs, now you actually need to create some kind of text that you are going to monetize later, and to do that pretty much just go to ChatGPT and you want to go to this prompt bar and you want to type in there something like this: help me brainstorm ideas for most searched niches online right now. Just hit enter. ChatGPT is going to come up with this list of most searched niches online, so people are going to be actually searching for something relating to this niche because they actually want to solve a problem. If you are going to take a look at this list, you will find the topics that people are most interested in nowadays, and pretty much all you want to do now is just pick one that you want to do this for, but the method is going to be working for every single one of these topics exactly the same. What you want to do now, you want to pick one of these topics that you want to go with, and pretty much for the simplicity of this video, let's just go with fitness and wellness for this one, because obviously it's the most important problem to have a healthy body and healthy mind, so we are going with this one. What you want to do now is just go to the description of this video where I'm going to leave for you 3 ChatGPT prompts that you can use with this method, so even if ChatGPT is going to be working for you, you can make this process a lot easier and a lot simpler. And all you want to do is just copy the first ChatGPT prompt and you want to paste it into the ChatGPT prompt bar. Now pretty much you need to pay attention to only one thing here, and that's you are going to exchange the end of the sentence for the topic that you are going to be using. For example, we are going with fitness and wellness for the demonstration, so I'm just going to type it in there, hit enter, and ChatGPT is going to come up with these ideas for the articles based on the niche that you have provided. This is going to take literally just a couple of seconds, and in the meantime what you can do is go to the video description one more time where you are going to find the second ChatGPT prompt, and you just want to copy and paste it into the ChatGPT prompt again, hit enter. ChatGPT is going to come up with these titles for the articles, for the potential future articles based on the ideas that it has come up with based on a niche. And pretty much now if you feel confident you can just go ahead and write an article yourself based on the title and the niche that you have generated using ChatGPT. But the goal of this method is actually making money, not just go ahead and write articles all day. That's why it's going to be a lot simpler and quicker if you're going to go to the video description one more time for the last time, I swear guys, and copy the third ChatGPT prompt that I have prepared for you, and you want to paste it into the prompt bar again. Now what you need to pay attention to here is just change the number of the title. You can see right here for the number of the title that you want to generate the article for, and pretty much if you're going to be doing this method, you can generate articles for every single one of these titles in bulk. That way you are going to save time if you're going to be doing this at mass, and actually you want to do that. You don't want to just generate one article and hoping it's going to make you thousands of dollars. This method is based on working for this at least couple of hours, and if you're going to add it up at the end of the day, you can make around $80 per hour just by doing this. But before that you want to actually see how this works, and for that reason I'm just going to hit enter and let ChatGPT generate this article. And just like that, after a couple of seconds you will get this article that's going to be of pretty decent quality, but based on the amount of time and effort you spent generating it, this is going to be working very well. As I said before, you can just go ahead and write the article just like this yourself, but it's going to take a lot more time, and at the end of the day it's going to be making you a lot less money per hour, but it would still work. That's why I recommend using ChatGPT to generate these articles, because it's going to be a lot quicker. Now we just want to select it, copy and paste it into the Google document just like that, and now you want to customize it a little bit. As you can see, it's pretty blank and boring text right now. For that reason, we are going to adjust it so it's going to be a little bit more appealing to the eye and also to the potential reader. For example, like improving the quality of this title by making it, let's say, bold, larger, and I'm also going to position it right in the middle. Then I'm just going to delete these headline titles because I really don't want them, and it's a dead giveaway right away that it's been generated by AI, at least for us who know what ChatGPT is and how it works. So for that reason, I'm just going to delete this. And also what this needs is some kind of a morning routine workout program that people can actually follow. That's going to make this article a lot more enticing. Just go to ChatGPT, go to the prompt bar, type in there something like this, create a 10-minute workout routine based on the article, hit enter, let ChatGPT generate it, and then just copy and paste it somewhere in the article, for example like here. So people are actually going to follow this routine and they are going to find value in the article. Because if they are going to be looking for something like this, they are actually looking for a solution to their problem, and that's the reason why you want to create a piece of content just like this. Now, because most of the people are going to actually skim through this text, they are not going to read it in its entirety, they are just going to step right into this program, right into this workout routine so they can do it. You don't have to really go wild in this first part of the text. And now I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to do that. What you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Temu affiliate program. Hit search on that, and for those of you who do not know this website, Temu is like a cheaper version of Amazon. I'm pretty sure some of you have seen the memes. It's very similar to Wish or Alibaba, but people are still using it to get budget items, or pretty much items they want to use, but they don't want to go spending hundreds of dollars for it. And actually this website has a pretty decent affiliate program. If you're going to search for Temu affiliate program, I want you to go to this website right here, click on it, and you want to sign up using your Gmail or pretty much any other email account. Once you're going to do that, you will be taken to your Temu affiliate dashboard. It's going to look something like this, and pretty much you can notice right away you are going to receive $5 in free cash just for signing up. And even though you may not be able to withdraw it right away because the withdrawal amount is $20, but just by following this method for a couple of hours, you can make this very easily, very fast, and then you can withdraw your free cash. Now comes the part where I'm going to show you how to actually monetize this article that we have created using Temu affiliate program. And to do that, just go to this upper toolbar and you want to click on pick items. Just do that and you will be displayed all these items that you can promote for money, and pretty much you can see the amount of money you get paid for promoting each of these products. And because we have created an article in the fitness and wellness niche, I'm just going to go to the search bar and type in there fitness and hit enter. Now it's going to filter by all the items that are in the fitness niche, related to the fitness niche, and you can use the article you have created to promote every single one of these items. All you have to do is just pretty much find the share button for the item you want to promote. For example, let's go with this pull-up bar that you can install in your home for home workout. So it's going to be actually fitting the morning workout for busy professionals niche. And to do that, pretty much just click on share and you want to copy your affiliate link from this part right here. You want to just copy it, go back to your article, and now you want to put a call to action somewhere in this article. Now, because people are going to be skipping, most of the people anyway, are going to be skipping right into this part where it shows the exact step-by-step workout program. For that reason, I'm just going to put it right above. Now, call to action is a simple sentence that's going to just entice people to check out something. You don't want to overhype it by just typing in click here, this is the best gear ever. You want to stay away from that, okay? You want to go with something easy and enticing, something like this, for example. Athlete pros are using this equipment for their workout routines at home. Check it out. So that way, people who are interested in actually checking out the workout equipment, they will click on it, and if they are not, they will just skip through it anyway. But this way, you are not going to discourage anybody who's actually interested in clicking on your link. Also, what you want to actually do is make this a little bit more stand out from the remaining of the text. For that reason, I'm just going to highlight it, go to these options and make it a little bit larger, for example like that, make it bold, underscore it, and also the important part. Now it's just a simple sentence that it's not really going to be making you any money, but to fix that, you want to actually highlight it and you want to click on the link button, and you want to just paste your affiliate link for the item you are going to be promoting in there. click on apply, and that way this entire sentence will become one big clickable button that's going to actually take people to the item you are going to be promoting, and that's what you want to achieve here. Once you're going to have an article like this ready, all you want to do now is just drive traffic to it, pretty much bring people who may be interested in this workout routine, and if they are going to be reading your article, they will receive a free value in form of this workout routine program, and if they are interested in the equipment they may use for this program, they are going to be clicking on this link, they will be taken to the Temu website where you will be paid your commission for promoting these items. Now this model of making money online is called affiliate marketing. I've been doing it for the past 2 years myself to successfully make tens of thousands of dollars, and for the past month alone I made over $12,000 using similar strategies just like this, and it's actually way easier than you may think to start making over 10 grand per month with affiliate marketing online, and I'm going to also show you where I have learned it all. If you want to learn the exact blueprint that I'm using on a much larger scale than this to make full-time passive income from my home without having to go to work at all, just go to the first pinned comment right below this video where I'm going to leave a link for you so you can check it out for yourself. Now all you want to do is just get as much eyeballs as possible to this article with your affiliate link in it, and to do that what you want to do is go to Google and search for Medium. You are going to find this site called medium.com, and it's one of the biggest platforms online where people are posting and researching articles about many different topics, and if you're going to check it out using the similar web extension, it's going to show you that this site drives over 173 million monthly views, so pretty much half of the entire population of United States is coming to this website every single month to search for some kind of a problem or other, and it's one of the easiest ways how to actually get eyeballs to your article. All you want to do is just sign up using your email or Gmail, and you want to click on write, and all you have to do now is just pretty much copy and paste the article you have created in a couple of minutes using ChatGPT on the Medium site. Just paste the title in there, just grab the remainder of the article from your Google document, copy it, paste it into the Medium website, and it's going to look something like this. If you're going to scroll all the way to your call to action, you can see that this sentence is actually embedded with your affiliate link, so that way this is going to become a clickable button. All you want to do now is just get as many people as possible to read this article, and I'm going to show you a clever hack to do that. Before I'm going to show you that, you need to actually publish this article to Medium, and pretty much all you want to do is just add a bunch of topics to tell this website what this article is about. For that reason, I'm going to put in these keywords, for example like fitness, weight loss, and home workout, just like that. You can use up to 5, but I'm just going with 3 because you can use up to 5 of these hashtags, and once you're going to fill them out, you want to just click on publish, and you can see your story is going to get published. Now pretty much it's going to be out there, it's going to be gathering views, but to actually speed up this process, I'm going to show you a clever SEO hack that nobody's using that's going to make this method a lot more profitable. Just go to your article and you want to click on this share button, and you want to copy the link to your article, and you want to use this website that's called indexkings.com. I'm just going to say that name one more time for all of you who are watching this video from beginning to the end, so you will know the name of the website, because 90% of the people have stopped watching already. So this is going to already give you an edge in doing this method, so that's the reason why you should take action on it right after you finish watching this video as well. And all you have to do here is just pretty much copy and paste the link to your article in here, and you want to click on Rapid Index. Now you can see this is going to build backlinks to your article to the link you have posted, and pretty much how this is going to work, I'm not going to go explaining in great detail. All you want to know that this is going to hugely increase your chance of your article ranking on the first page of Google search. And as you can see already, there are a couple of articles from Medium on the topic here, but instead of taking about 9 months or pretty much a couple of months for your article to rank on the first page of the results, it's going to take just a couple of weeks. Pretty much what you want to do is just copy and paste the link to your article into Index Kings a couple of times per day, and you want to build all these backlinks in one click very easily, and that way this is going to make your article stand up against all of these a lot quicker. Now pretty much just go ahead and repeat this process for all of these titles generated by ChatGPT. Find the relevant item on Temu that you want to promote in the article, paste it to Medium just like this. Make sure you are going to include your call to action in there. Also build backlinks to it using this website to increase your chance of getting a sale. Also, for those of you who made it to the end of this video, congratulations, because now I'm going to show you how you can make money with this method without getting a single sale, just for people reading your article. If you're going to check it out, Temu is offering $5 cash reward for every download of the mobile app. And because almost half the traffic today is coming from mobile devices, you are going to have a very easy time getting these downloads just by using this method. So all you want to do is just get eyeballs to your article, so people are going to be clicking on this link, they will be taken to the Temu website, and if they are going to be doing that from mobile, they will be prompted to actually download the app by the website itself, so it's not going to take any additional work for you, and you can still rake in around $80 per hour just by doing this. Now, thanks for making it to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you are going to actually take action on it, and if you are going to do that, just go to the comment section and type in there "done" and "ready" to show me that you're going to take action on this. And also, if you want to set up a method that's going to be making you money on complete autopilot while you're working on this method, I suggest you checking out this video right here where I'm going to show you how to set it up. Just go ahead, click on it, and I'm going to see you there.